お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Hello guys, my name is Jemmy and today I'm going to be teaching you about lists in Python Shell. Right now we're not in Visual Studios anymore, we're in Python Shell. You should be able to have it in your computer if you downloaded in my first video about Python, how to set it up. So if you search up Python, there should be IDLE, which is the shell. So just click on it and it pops up like this, and now you can start typing. So lists is kind of like array and construct too. You can delete stuff, you can like pull stuff from it, and yeah, you can do a bunch of stuff with list. Let's just see what it does first. So first of all is to set the list, right? So let's pretend we have something like, what do you keep in your pretend closet? Okay, so we're gonna set closet as a list. So the closet list would be like this, and then there's going to be what? Clothes, yeah. What else? Books, maybe, if you like store them in behind the closet. Shoes. Okay, wait. Remember your single quotes. Shoes. And what else? Toys. Toys. Like this, and there you go. That's now the closet has is a list, and it has clothes, books, shoes, and toys in it. So what if we want to add something to it? So we would do like this. Closet dot append, and then put your thing into it. So I'm going to put, what else is there? Jackets. Okay, so there we go. Now we added jacket to the list, and why don't we print the closet now, which is the list. Don't get confused, okay? Let's print the list, which we named closet. Clothes, books, toys, choose. Clothes, books, shoes, toys, and jackets. There we go. This is now the list of closets. If we want, however, to get one specific one, we would do like this. Print closet, and little brackets like this. And what would we want? So here's a list: clothes, books, shoes. So let's just do shoes, which is number 3. Like so. Wait, no, shoes is number 2 because it's starting from 0. Okay, let me see. Okay. Oh, I forgot. I typed it wrong. Print. Remember your spelling is really, really sensitive. So remember to spell correctly. To this and like this. Choose. There we go. Remember it starts from 0. Okay, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go, it's choose. Now, what if we want to remove something from the list? Like, pretend they took it out, okay? So you're going to school, right? And then you take out your clothes to go to school, your uniforms. So we would do closet dot remove, and then what do you want to remove, right? So we would do it like, have a parentheses, and then we would say what number we want to remove it, just like in our printing. So remove closet, which one? 0, right? Okay. Boom, boom. Now we print it out, and it should be gone. Print closet, parentheses, closet, like so. Books, shoes, toys, and jackets. No more clothes because we took them out, right? We removed them. Okay, moving on. Next one is if we want to add again, but this time it's going to be in a different code, so it's alternative between append. So closet dot insert. Okay, insert what? Boom, we're gonna insert clothes again. So we took them out. Now we're putting them back in. Closet. Did I do something wrong? I think I did. Wait. Sorry guys. We need to insert where we want to like put this back. So pretend this one like needs to go into a specific place, not like a pen. They're different actually. A pen is to just put them like behind everything, but insert, you can actually control where it's going to be placed. So first you have to do it like this, like where do you want to place it back. So pretend there's like 5 boxes in the closet marked as 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we took the clothes out of box number 0, right? So we're going to put them back in box number 0, which means that we're going to put 0, comma, where is it? 0, comma, clothes. So now we're going to put the clothes back in box 0, like so. Whoops, remember those single quotes. Like so, and now after this, we will click enter and we'll print it out. Print closet. Sorry for my cat back there. Closet, and then there we go. There's clothes, books, shoes, toys, and jackets. Everything is in the same position again. And after this, we're going to show that you can actually reverse it around. I'm not sure why this is a command, but it somehow is for some reason. If you want it to be more advanced or something, then it's just the same thing as removing. But however, I mean, printing out a specific item. But this one is, I don't know why, you put a negative number on it, and that negative number would be like, pretend you put like 0, right? If you didn't put a minus sign in front of it, then it's going to be clothes. But if you put a minus sign in front of 0, it's going to be jackets. Weird, right? Let's check it out. Print closet, this, subtract 0, like so, and now it should be jackets. Clothes? What? Wait, 1 sec. For some reason it doesn't work with 0, but let's just try doing it with 1. Maybe 1 would work. For some reason 0 doesn't work. Oh, because negative 0 is still 0. I forgot about that. Negative 0 without a minus sign is still 0. So what if we try 1? Negative 1 and 1 is different. There we go. It's jackets. Oh, I get it. For this thing, they don't start at 0. Instead, they start at 1. So yeah, lesson learned. Negative 0 is the same thing. It's going to be clothes no matter what. But if you want to do negative 1, it's going to be jackets. So it's starting at negative 1. If my theory is correct, negative 5 should be clothes again. Boom. Yeah, it's clothes. Okay, so it starts at 1 if you want to do it fancy like this. Not sure why would anybody want to do it, but apparently it's a thing, so you guys could use it if you want to be more advanced. Now moving on to we did printing specific ones. Sorry, my tongue. Specific ones. And now why don't we start doing something else? So since we've been starting to do specific ones, after that, what was it? Let me see. Oh yeah, printing your how do you call it? Printing your how, like, you're gonna label something instead of toys. You could rename it to something else. Okay. So pretend like this. We're going to do my item. Okay, equals to clothes, and then closet. Sorry, closet. This, what was it? Toys, right? Yeah. Closet 3, which is toys, and like this. My item equals closet. Item number 3. Click enter. Now print my item. Oh, sorry, we gotta put parentheses around it. Parentheses my item, like so. There you go, toys. So you can rename your items in your list. You can rename them to something else by setting a variable and then setting it to the item in the list. And yeah, that's how you rename something in a list. Moving on next to here we are. Okay, so we're going to just change something. We're going to change something in the list. I'm not sure, but this one is actually going to be more cooler than the other strategy. It's going to be like the same thing, but instead of having to do all that, my list, like my item, like set it to closet number 3 and then print closet number 3. This one's more easier. So garage, sorry, not garage. Why I'm getting mixed up? Closet, okay. Closet, and we're going to just do something like this. Closet number 1, okay, and we're going to change it. Closet number 1, here we are, and I'm going to equals to what? Closet 1 is shoes, so we're going to do sneakers. How about that? Sneakers. Okay, more specific, and at the same time, still the same thing. So they took out the shoes and put in sneakers. So now we print out the closet. It should be, instead of shoes, sneakers. So wait 1 sec. Print closet. There we go. Oh, parentheses. I keep on forgetting parentheses. Closet. Bam. There we go. Clothes, sneakers, shoes, toys. What? Oh, did I change it? Did I do anything? No, I didn't. Oh, so this is adding it in. Huh, really? Is it? 1 sec, guys. Closet 1 equals sneakers, so we put in sneakers in the section number 1. Oh, I get it. So we did that, and it just inserted in, okay? It doesn't change it, it inserts it. Okay, nice. Moving on to, which one is it? Moving on to, oh, this one. Getting a little fancy here. Moving on to print len closet, which I'm pretty sure, let's just check, okay? Print, and then here len, and then closet. And what should we print it by? Number 3, how about that? Let's try it. Number 3. Then let's just try printing lens by itself. There we go, and it's 5. This is gonna be how much it is in here. If my theory is correct, then if we remove, wait, no, it wasn't removed, right? Yeah. Print. So we gotta remove our thing. So if we just copy from here, where it was, where are you? Remove, guys, help. And here we are. So we're gonna remove it. Okay, so we're gonna remove it like this. We can't find it, so let's just type it. Remove. Wait, no, closet. Closet dot remove. Which ones? Closet dot remove 5. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it doesn't work like this. Let's see why. Okay, I'm just going to copy it up from up here, but my program doesn't like me, so it doesn't give me remove. it doesn't show me remove either. So they took out the clothes, right? Here, closet remove. Oh, I need to put closet. Okay. Here we go. Bam, bam. And then print the closet. No, I mean print len closet. Okay. Enter 4. There we go. It's the amount of things that are in the list. Okay, moving on. After len is now we're going to create another how do you call it? Another list. It's going to be called the alphabet. I'm just gonna write alpha. No, actually alpha is hard to spell. How about just write capital A? Okay, capital A works. And then we're going to set this list like this, and we're going to align them in alphabetical order. So let me just I, O, T, H, K. Okay, like this. And now after this, we're going to what in the world? I didn't even do anything yet. I just set it as a list. Why can't I do that? Okay, let's see. So for some reason, oh, I forgot. Here we go again. Jemmy forgetness. We have to put the single quotes in there. Okay, so now it should work. Bam, good. Okay, now we're going to print A. And it should be like this, right? But if we say print sort A. What if it's like this? Oh, sorry, I wrote the wrong code. We're not supposed to say print sort. We're supposed to say A dot sort. Okay, there we go. And we're going to just do that. Like so, add some parentheses, enter, and now we're gonna print A. Let's see what it does. Boom, there we go. And now it's a line. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yeah, there we go. That works. And now after this, we're going to reverse it. So it's going to be Z to A. Z to A, okay. Z to A, what's that gonna be? So we're gonna print. No, we're going to do sort. So A dot sort, and then here we're going to put reverse equals true. There we go. Enter, and we're gonna print A. There we go, and it's just switched around completely. So yeah, that's the reversing. And now we're going to do one last code. This one is to temporarily sort it from alphabetical order. So we're going to temporarily do it. So print. This one's the one I got confused on. Sorted A. There. Now it's going to temporarily switch it. But however, if you print it, look, if you actually print A, okay, it's still switched around. So this is just temporarily to get you like the view of what it actually is if it's like alphabetically aligned. But actually, it's going to be like this. So yeah, sorted is to temporarily do it. And that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.